Today we're testing out a SoftStart Home on a 2-ton Daiken heat pump air conditioning system to see how much difference it really makes. Now, if you've ever noticed your lights flicker when your AC fires up, that's because of a big inrush of current at startup. The AC's compressor pulls a huge surge of amps all at once, and that puts a high strain on your electrical system and shortens the life of your compressor windings. Before adding the SoftStart Home, this Daiken unit was pulling around 70 amps on startup. That is a lot of power, especially if you're running on limited energy like a backup generator or solar. After installing the SoftStart Home, we reran the test, and startup amperage dropped down to just 32 amps. That's less than half of what it was before. Not only did it start up smoother and quieter, but it also put far less stress on the system overall. This means easier startups on smaller, portable generators or solar inverters. No more flickering lights, a quieter compressor, and longer system life. Overall, SoftStart Home makes it easy to install and easy to see the results right away. For this Daiken system, it made a huge difference in startup performance and sound. So, if you're looking to protect your equipment, save energy, and keep things running smoothly, SoftStart Home is the way to go. Check out the links below for more information.